Okay, well, I found my first problem. I've got this control valve here. That hose is in the way. It's gonna hit this canopy post. So I got to address that first. Okay, I've got my jacks in place. All there is left to do is give it a shot and see what happens. Hopefully we don't have anything catastrophic happen, but it's part of the game as a backyard mechanic. Okay, we're going to give this another try. Okay, so I've got it disconnected. We backed up far enough that I'll be able to lift the frame off of the front axle. I'm really scared it's just gonna tip right over this way because we are sitting at an angle, but at least we've made some more progress. Anyways, I'll get back to you once I get to the next impasse. Okay, so I think I've got it to the point where I can pull the tractor out. And move it to where we're going to do the clutch. But man, I really wish I had a skid steer or something with a set of pallet forks on it. That would have been a lot easier. But yeah, it looks like we're good to back it out. If anybody has done this with a loader frame that is comparable to this, I'd like to know how. So maybe if I have to do it in the future, it'll be easier for me. But yeah, I will set you guys up and I'll go ahead and try to pull it out. Okay, so here's my tractor splitting setup. I'm gonna run the tractor on these 2x8s. Then I've got the center rails to slide the front of the tractor forward. Now I'm gonna have the, you know, like a floor jack to sit on these rails, and the fact that them being on metal, it should be able to roll fairly easy. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and back the tractor up on these and get it set and ready to be torn into. I don't know if I'll get around to tearing into it today, but I'm gonna get it set into place at least, and we'll see how we do.